And this is Blaze, the big girl.
What a good little girl you're being.
Good girl.
I might be able to get a little bit more off, but at this point I just want to
Get the sharp point off.
She seems a little more tolerant.
You're such a good man.
And here is Bubbles.
What a good little puppy. What a good little puppy.
Good boy.
What a good little puppy. A good puppy.
He's not protesting like the first two.
That's a good little man. Look at you, aren't you beautiful?
He is pretty cute.
So,
No doubt about it.
whoops.
Oh,
Ooh, well,
you're
Now
all
let's-
right.
Lorraine, that one hurt.
You're all right,
I don't
baby.
see any blood.
You're all right, baby. He's got some good bone.
You're all right. That's a good little man. Daddy
And
girl.
here's Nat, formerly known as Fawn Girl.
Whoop.
Yeah, she doesn't like the nail clipping either. But she's the lightest of the girls in color.
Much better.
What a good little puppy you are.
Good girl, Nat.
You are being so
Natalie.
good.
Nat.
And this one is Patch.
Even softer than Big Girl.
Well, I think Big Girl's a little more outgoing than this one at this point. Neither of them are terribly outgoing, but
It's interesting the way they were changed because you thought she was going to be the bad girl.
I sure did. They'll change again.
Keep Jeannie on her toes. You are a little sweetie.
What a good girl. Look at you. You're so good.
Here is little red boy. Getting his nails filed.
Good boy. Good boy.
Not a happy time for the puppies right now. But their claws are very much like cat sharp.